from Jesse Rules the World. What is the Roth IRA contribution limit? Is there an income limit for the Roth IRA? So yeah, I talked about 401k probably most of this video. I know that was like 22,500, but for the Roth IRA, pull up my favorite notepad here. So Roth IRA is 6,500 if you're 50 and under the age of 50. If you're over the age of 50, you have what's called a $1,000 catch-up contribution. So that would be 7,500. And the other part of the question was, is there an income limit for the Roth IRA? There is. There is an income limit for the Roth IRA. If you go to the IRS website, it tells you how much money, the modified gross income that you can have as a single individual, head of household, or married filing jointly and married filing separately. So make sure you check that. So that's the contribution, right? That's what you can contribute to the Roth IRA. That contribution means that you're contributing directly from your checking account to the Roth IRA, okay? That's direct contribution. But if you're over the income limit, or if you're in that the range of the income, a high income earner, whether you're single or you're head of household or you're married filing jointly, you can do what's called a backdoor Roth IRA. And that's going to take me like 10 minutes to explain. If you go to my website, I got a video that just got released probably in February, talk about the backdoor Roth IRA strategy. Just keep in mind that backdoor Roth IRA is really good. It's like a loophole with the Roth IRA system, right? But the downside of doing that is if you already have a balance in your traditional IRA, you have to go through what's called a pro rata rule. Pro rata, okay? So if you have a balance, a remaining balance in your traditional IRA, okay? So they have to do what's called a pro rata rule. So this is really weird by the IRS, and hopefully they can make a change to this law in the future, but because they can't segregate your pre-tax dollars to your after-tax dollars. So when you do the Roth IRA conversion, you're doing that with your after-tax dollars. So you already pay taxes on it. But if you already have a balance in your traditional IRA, let's just say you have, make it simple. Let's say you have 100K, okay, balance in your traditional IRA, and you do $6,500. Yep, $6,500 to convert. So there's like a percentage that you have to figure out is like the total balance. They're going to do, let's say, you know what, I'm going to scratch the 100K. Let's say you have 70% in pre-tax and 30% in after-tax. Okay. So I'm going to change the color on this. So what happens is, where's my calculator? Hey, Alexa, what is 6,500 multiplied by 70%?
6,500 times 70% is 4,550.
Sweet. So 4,550, that would be the 70% that is in pre-tax. So that is taxable when you do the backdoor Roth IRA conversion. But 30% of that would be, my gosh, 1,950. Okay. This is going to be in after-tax money. So this is not taxable. But when you make that conversion, so $4,550 would be taxable when you do make the Roth IRA conversion. That's the pro rata rule. So it gets really complicated when it comes to just doing the backdoor Roth IRA. If you have no balance in your traditional IRA, then it's going to be really easy. Just put money in the traditional IRA, and then you make a conversion and put money into the Roth IRA. But if you have a balance in your traditional IRA because you made previous contributions from previous years, or you made a rollover from your old 401k or TSP or whatever, then it becomes a complicated process. So keep that in mind when you file your taxes. And I'm not your CPA, right? Ask your CPA about the backdoor Roth IRA and if you have a balance in it, and then they can do the calculation for you with the pro rata rule. It's such a pain in the butt, but it's just one of those things that that you have to do. Hopefully, they can make a change in the future to segregate. Maybe we'll have a pre-tax IRA, traditional IRA, and after tax. I guess that won't work, but yeah, we'll see. I know Congress tried to repeal the backdoor Roth IRA a couple times now, and it just failed every single time. So hopefully we can continue to do that loophole. We'll see what happens.